Hello viewers, welcome back to the test bench. Well, not really the test bench. As you can see, I'm sitting in the garden listening to my birds, having a bit of a rest from carrying this engine around that's laboured me considerably. One we're going to test today. Let's have a look at the engine and you can see why it's causing me so much labouring problems. Actually, I've got it here in my pocket. What do you think of that little beastie? This is a beautiful little 0.33C diesel made in Australia by Peter Burford, and we're going to do a test on it today, and it's got a full throttle on it. So let's go and have a look, a close-up look, and we'll just see what it looks like. Well, now we can see it in all its glory, and I've fitted a propeller to it. That propeller is a 6-inch diameter and it's also made by Peter Burford, the manufacturer of the engine. Very nice little fuel tank. Run for about 4 minutes on that tank at full RPM. But we don't have to run at full RPM because this diesel has a particular little gadget that makes it very, very nice. Here is a full working carburettor, idle to full RPM and all in between. Works extremely well. A lovely little engine, certainly something for the free flight boys or small control line or the small radio assist. Very, very quiet, very easy to run, and all you need is a tin of fuel in your back pocket and a clean hanky to wipe your hands, and away you go flying. Good as gold. Lovely bit of gear. Peter Burford in South Australia is a manufacturer. I will have reviews in several magazines. An absolute jewel amongst all jewellery. Lovely to have, lovely to use.